Good evening, Farmer Joe here from Farmer Joe Kids TV. Just a quick message here. The body gives us all signals if you're not performing well inside. Now, if you pee a strong yellow colour with a smell off it, it could be the first signs of type 2 diabetes. And if you consume a lot of sugary drinks, this is the sort of pee you're going to have. That's why natural water is the best drink you'll ever drink in your life. You won't have none of that. Now, that's called maple syrup pee. That's what it's called because it's a sweet smell off it. And it's the first sign of type 2 diabetes. Now, if you're consuming all them energy drinks and them sugary drinks, that's the first sign you'll have of type 2 diabetes. Now listen, this is Farmer Joe here from Dublin. Follow me or subscribe to my channels. Bye bye now. Thank you.